My name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. So now I've applied the color to the ends, and I'm going to start from the front, and I'm going to apply it to the regrowth. You want to be very careful not to miss any spots when you do this. So I'm going to go ahead and go apply, and then I'm going to check through and make sure that I didn't miss any areas. And then we're going to let it process for 10 minutes. It's very important in doing this technique that you really stay on your timing and you apply your color quickly. So we're going to start from the front, doing our hairline, making sure we cover the whole hairline. When you're lightening someone's hair, you also want to keep in mind the color of their eyebrows and whether that's going to match their hair color. If they need to lighten their eyebrows, you'll also want to do an additional consultation on that. The particular color I'm using is safe to put on highlights. Other color products, you really want to make sure, because most of them would color the highlights. This particular one doesn't. And that's how you apply the color to the regrowth area.